Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix MetaMask extension not working on Mrs. Browser. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so open up your Mrs. web browser as you normally would and then click onto extensions. Then click on extensions again. Now from here, find where your MetaMask is and make sure this is enabled. So go to make sure that is enabled. Then from here, just restart your web browser and then open up the Mrs. web browser. Then from here, hopefully it should be fixed. If it isn't, click onto extensions, click on extensions again. And what we need to do is remove MetaMask extension. So click on remove. Then from here, we want to click onto the three horizontal bars on the top left-hand corner of the page. And we need to go and click on the web store. Then from here where it says search extensions and themes, so I'm just going to zoom in, go ahead and search for MetaMask again. Make sure to spell it correctly. MetaMask, hit search. Here it is here. So go ahead and click onto MetaMask and then click on add to Chrome and then click on OK. That's going to re-add that to your Mrs. web browser. And then from here, it will say, let's get started. So skip all this stuff. And then from here, click I agree to MetaMask. And then you can either create a new wallet or import an existing wallet. So that should fix your issues.